Today, we will see another tricky word problem on applications of HCF. A teacher distributes 50 books and 65 notebooks equally among 6 students. Find the number of items received by each student and the remaining items. This problem is an example of equal distribution. Step 1. Find the books received by each student. So, total books divided by number of students, that is 50 divided by 6, gives you 8 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. Therefore, each student gets 8 books and 2 books are left over. Step 2. Find the notebooks received by each student. So, total notebooks divided by number of students, that is 65 divided by 6, gives you 10 as the quotient and 5 as the remainder. Therefore, each student gets 10 notebooks and 5 notebooks are left over. Final answer: each student gets 8 books and 10 notebooks. Also, 2 books and 5 notebooks are left over. Got it? Thank you for watching. For such tricky questions on HCF, please subscribe and watch the complete playlist.